Welcome to Anthony's Cross-Thread Garage. There's a trip over trash. I've been trying to get a video done, trying to get this done. And it's pushed over to the side again. Got the boss hog up on the lift. Going to take the rear tires off right now, get them changed. I gotta do tune-up stuff like that. I'm selling the Volvo, so if I have to run this winter, I need this just a little bit better. It's pretty good now, but it just needs a little bit, be a little better. I mean, it still has a pattern of a tire, so let's get this jerked off, get stuff to tune it up, change oil, basic stuff. Might be in your bed.
No. How can spiders fly?
I have no idea.
They can't fly.
They fly really well.
Daddy, I think somewhere in this room. This two rooms.
Truck's pretty clean for the most part. For all the parts, really. Got my new tires mounted up. Dad and Dom's on trailer duty.
You gotta work.
No, I'm sure do. No, you don't scratch that.
Leave them on.
I hit these.
That's nostalgia.
I hit these.
I probably don't need those. Just my rear brakes. Oh. Cut this cat out of here because clear the back of the truck and doing it no good. They must have moved that cat because it's getting too hot up here. Damn it. Maybe. Better still.
Huh?
So that's better still. Alright, you put a tip on there. Got that cat. I don't know, it's pretty heavy. I don't know if it's fogged or what, but the catalytic converter does not work at the back of the exhaust. So, we got a straight pipe in there, still got a muffler. I'm gonna lower it down here, get these tires put on, get some oil put in it, and see what it sounds like. Still gotta do some other stuff underneath the hood too.
Get away. Are you heavy? Oh, never.
Well, get the oil in it, fire it up, checked it, filled it. I don't think it's that much louder though, which is fine since I usually use this for towing. I hate these stupid things. Whoever put that on there is an asshole. It's a high dollar to get a freaking regular air filter. I don't know, you gotta see how loud it is. Alright, good morning, y'all. Get the tires on, exhaust filled up. Oh God. Today we're gonna tune this truck up so I can get the wife's car in here and get a hitch put on it. It's like a whole motorcycle to the beach this year. Let's dive in here and see how bad this plug stuff is. I got a light. There's number one. So, spark plugs look decent. I mean, they look real good actually. Probably should just put them back in. But I get new ones. My concern is these junky wires. I think they're shorting out. I know the cool wire is shorting out. I don't think I even have it anymore. Let's get the other side out and see what it looks like. The whole bank on that side looks like it's running rich. So, I'm not sure we got a problem here. A little egg or what? I guess after I get all this done, then I'll have to fire it up. See if it's got a decent spray pattern or if it's dripping or what it's doing. Some high dollar swings in the shop here.
They're not paid for. My daddy made them himself. My dad had to do the side by side, and now it's fine.
Yeah.
Flexed it over. Bro, what's going on? I don't know. Bro, what's going on?
All right.
Hi. You guys should put swings in your garage. Free swings, baby.
Yeah, well this is the brand new distributor cap. Looks pretty good. So yeah, the tops both look good, but underneath you can see this down here is burnt. And it's supposed to be spring loaded, and it's not anymore. It's trash. And looking at the button's just as burnt and corroded, so it's trash. So we got all brand new plugs, wires, button, cap to put on, and hopefully fixes most of my running issues. Other than whatever the check engine light is. And whatever the rich side is. It's not gonna fix all my issues, but it needs done.
I didn't take my dad's garage. I'm just in here to swing. Whee! Yeah, it's not fun. But you know what? I don't care. It's fun to swing. Better than staying in Dad's garage, thank heavens.
Well, injector parts are expensive for this truck.
Hi, camera. Hey, camera. Did you know me and Dawn are now making projects ourselves?
It's running all right. It sucks that injector's dripping. If I gotta fix it here later, I'll fix it, but it's not missing hard or anything. Just kind of a little when it's starting up. I mean, when you're into it, it's fine. Now we'll start on the Kia. I gotta put a hitch on it so I can pull a motorcycle to North Carolina. So when we get things switched around and get running into town, we'll get back.
Daddy go fit in Mommy's car. Oh! There's no way you're looking at
What?
it. No, do you realize how heavy that is?
Realize how heavy that dolly is?
It's heavier than Mommy's car.
Yep.
That's not
Let's do kind of the easy stuff first. Go ahead and bring it over.
super sour. Oh yeah, Shed was 0%. Picking out the dirt was 1%. Player 1 vegetable. Player 1 vegetable. Thank you. So that's all I got. Hi. Bam! Boom! Right in the face.
Alrighty. Hit the tires off. Brakes look good. I start on this hitch. I rip this off on the other side. I gotta fasten this up on the other side. Something. Perfect. This should be interesting. I can see bowl holes right there. Of course, that side's got a cover on it. Hitch.
That
So we can haul a motorcycle down to the beach.
Yeah, that'll cost us a lot of money. Let's hop in. Hop in, Rosie. It's gonna be fun. Fun. Wait, Daddy. Can you shut us?
No.
Maybe you can just get out. Oh.
There.
Hey, shut us up. Okay.
That's it. That's all I can do.
Alright, so well, I thought I gotta drop the exhaust and take this out and I guess cut it before I put it back in. Let's work on getting this exhaust loose. There, get that loose. Well, it takes the M12 by 125. I'd rather tap these holes, but use this piece of crap wire brush again. There we go. Alrighty, here's the hitch. Yeah, I'm glad it's that bigger, it's a little one. That way I can use any receiver. We'll get the exhaust pop back on and then get inside here and figure out what I gotta do with the wiring. I got a kit for it, so we'll see here. Huh? Am I watching YouTube? How am I watching YouTube? Who is? Oh. Let me cut that piece off. Rosie's watching it? You said Rosie's watching it? Well, I thought the wiring went inside the car, but actually there's already a provision plug right here, and I already got the right connector for the provision, so right underneath the car. Plug that in. There.
Yeah, pretty tight on that bolt there. You guys can even see. For this project. Next video will be what it's pulling, or I don't know, might get back on the Studebaker. I'll get some more parts for it. I'll get a video started on it. So hopefully we can get something done with it. I need to get it done so I can start on the speed truck. Got parts for the transmission. We're going to switch it to a 5-speed. Just so much stuff to do, still a little time. See ya.